Hey everyone, welcome back to ASAA Wealth Builders. In today's video, we're diving into Forex trading for beginners, breaking down exactly how you can get started in 2025. If you've ever wondered how people make money trading currencies, stay tuned because I'll explain everything step by step. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Now, let's get started. What is Forex trading? Forex, or foreign exchange, is the global marketplace where currencies are traded. Unlike the stock market, which is based in one location like Wall Street, Forex operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and trades happen online across different countries. Every time you travel and exchange money, you're technically participating in Forex. But as a trader, you can buy and sell currencies to make a profit based on market movements. The goal: buy low, sell high. Or in Forex terms, buy a currency when it's weak and sell when it gets stronger. To trade Forex, you always deal with currency pairs. This means you are comparing the value of one currency against another. Example: Euro USD. If you think the euro will go up against the US dollar, you buy. If you think the euro will drop, you sell. This is called going long or going short. Forex trading happens through brokers, and prices change based on supply and demand, economic news, and global events. To get started with Forex trading, you'll need a Forex broker. This is the platform where you place your trades. Popular brokers include IC Markets, Deriv, and Forex.com. A trading platform: most traders use MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. These platforms allow you to analyze charts and execute trades. A demo account: before trading real money, practice with a demo account to learn how Forex works risk-free. A strategy: you can't just guess. Successful traders use strategies like price action, moving averages, or support and resistance. Here are 3 simple strategies to start with. 1. Trend following. Trade in the direction of the market trend. If the price is going down, look for opportunities to sell. 2. Support and resistance. Identify key price levels where the market tends to bounce. Buy near support, sell near resistance. 3. Breakout trading. Wait for the price to break a key level and trade the breakout. Each strategy has risks, so practice before trading real money. Common Forex trading mistakes to avoid. 1. Trading without a plan. Random trades will lead to losses. Have a strategy and stick to it. 2. Overleveraging. Using too much leverage can wipe out your account quickly. Start with small positions. 3. Ignoring risk management. Never risk more than 1 or 2% of your account on a single trade. Always set a stop loss. 4. Letting emotions control you. Fear and greed are the biggest enemies of traders. Stay disciplined. How to start your first Forex trade. Step 1. Open a demo account with a Forex broker. Step 2. Choose a currency pair, like Euro USD. Step 3. Analyze the market using basic strategies. Step 4. Place a trade. Buy if you expect a price increase, sell if you expect a drop. Step 5. Set a stop loss and take profit. Step 6. Monitor your trade and learn from your results. Start slow, learn, and improve. Forex trading is a skill. It takes time to learn, but once you get the hang of it, the possibilities are huge. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments, what Forex topic should I cover next? Until next time, keep learning, keep trading, and I'll see you in the next video.